Hi everyone, my name is Shankar and our shop name is Bum Bum Bole YouTube shop. Our shop in Bangalore Chickpet main road opposite Sudarshan family store itself. Okay, this is the main road, main market of Bangalore Chickpet. Here is our shop. I'll show you my all shop location and our contact number will be on the screen. See, this is Mantra Selection Bum Bum Bole YouTube shop. Okay, this is our upstep shop. Here you will get like jeans and jeggings, plazos, jeans, jacket, dangri, this kind of jeans we have put it here display. See, I'll show you from inside. Come. Here you can see these all plazos, jeggings. See, here you will get like in wholesale jeans pants, jeggings, denim jacket, different kind of pants, joggers, all kind of women's wear you will get here. Like in bottom variety we have here. Okay. See, these all jeans. In jeans also you will get like till 26 size to 44 size available in ladies. Okay, here is see. Yeah. In basement we have kurtis all. See, here we have put a display of kurtis. See, I will show you all inside in shop. Here is a display of all kurti kind of thing. We have coat model, anarkali, a plazo set, side cut tops, and midi set, sarara set, western tops, western wear, all different kind of variety will get here. One by one I will show you. First I'll show you the display, afterwards I will show you the all tops and plazo set, everything. See, here is all we have put a display for kurtis, western tops and long gowns. See, here is all western top. In we have like chiffon fabric, rayon fabric, cotton fabric, Italian chiffon, all different kind of fabric available in our shop. You wherever you'll be, you can come and visit and shop. If you can't come, you can make a video call and give us an order. See here, these all western tops. See, western tops, long tops, all we have. I will show you all one by one variety. We have put a display here. Okay, we have wholesale, you buy in bulk. Okay, see here all you will get western tops itself. Okay, and kurti shop is backside. I will show you. Come. See, this is our studio. Like kurti shops, kurtis you will get here in backside. I will show you all type of kurtis and variety. If you like any particular pattern, take a screenshot and send us on WhatsApp number. Our number will be on the screen. Okay, I will show you one by one all pattern, different varieties what we have, all kind of fabric and everything. Okay, see, this is our shop. See, Bum Bum Bole YouTube shop. Okay, come, let's see. I will show you all new patterns what we have got this time. Okay, hello, I will I will show my all new patterns. Okay, one by one. Okay, so see, this is chiffon fabric with white Lucknow work it will come, and you will get in these 4 sizes like M, L, XL and double XL. 4-piece combo set it will come. Okay, next item will show you. See, this is very good pattern, beautiful piece. See, here is all original glass work and printed cotton fabric with rayon mix. Beautiful piece, anarkali itself. In that also you will get ML, XL, double XL. See, this is next chiffon fabric, classical fabric. See, chiffon and Italian silk fabric, it will mix fabric. See, this is all thread work. See, original work, thread work, not print. And in this you will get 4 colors and XL, double XL sizes also. See, this is next Georgia chiffon fabric, very beautiful frock pattern. See how beautiful is this. See, in that you will get ML, XL, double XL. See, in neck you will get this kind of work. See, with dupatta it will come and sleeves will be inside. If you want to, you can attach. Next pattern I will show you. See this one. This is imported Italian fabric, very beautiful fabric. In neck you will get this kind of work. See, this is all sequence work. In this you will get 4 colors. Daily new stock will come. In weekly twice I will make a video. So please subscribe my channel, shop channel. See this one. This side stretchable fabric, and in see here is a beads work it will come. In this you will get ML, XL, double XL stretchable. Okay, see, full flare cut kurti anarkali. Next pattern I will show you Georgia chiffon fabric. Beautiful pattern. See, in this you will get sizes also and colors it will be changed. See, very beautiful piece. See, this is next Dahlia work it will come. Jaipuri Dahlia work. In this you see beautiful piece. In neck also you will get this kind of work. See here, bell sleeve it will come like this. In this you will get 4 colors. This all will be branded fabric with interlock it will come. And if any kind of problem comes in fabric, we'll exchange also. Not a problem in this. See, this is Lucknow with thread work. Beautiful piece. See, in border you will get this kind of thread work, and in neck also you will get same kind of work. In sleeves also, in this you will get 4 colors. Size will be like ML, XL, XXL, like that. Next pattern I'll show you. See, this is imported Italian fabric. Very beautiful piece. In border you will get, see, like this thread work. Totally. In neck also you will get completely this kind of work. It's come with dupatta itself. See, I'll show you dupatta also. See, in this you will get 4 color variation. See, it will come like with dupatta, and sleeve also you will get this kind of work. See, beautiful piece. If you like any pattern in this video, you can take a screenshot and send us on WhatsApp itself, and our number will be on screen also. You can see this is Brasso silk fabric top. See, in here neck work, inside sleeves, and 4 color you will get. See, this is Banarsi border. In this you will get ML, XL, XXL, all different sizes you will get. See, this is very tapeto rayon silk fabric. Beautiful piece. See, very beautiful piece. In sleeves you will get like this kind of work. See, full anarkali frock kind of pattern I'm showing you this type. This all new pattern came. See, every day you will get like 30-40 new design. It's come in my shop. So every day I can't make a video, but when weekly twice I'll make a video. If you want more patterns, you can contact us on WhatsApp itself. You can make a call and make a video call and select wherever you will be. We will send the courier itself. All over worldwide courier service available. See, this is very beautiful piece, and see, this is beautiful flare itself. Inside you will get sleeves. This is all digital print fabric, Italian fabric, like marble kind of fabric come, no, that kind of fabric. In this you will get ML, XL, XXL, full flare cut kurti. Beautiful pattern. Next I'll show you. See, Kashmiri, super beautiful piece. Look at the border itself, all printed, and see fabric. In neck also you will get like this Jari Gota Pati work kind of beautiful piece. In this you will get like ML, XL, XXL, all sizes itself. Next pattern I'll show you. See, this is American crepe fabric, beautiful piece, flare itself. See, in neck also you will get this kind of work, like multi-color thread work you will get. In this I have like 5 to 6 color you will get in this, and sizes also will be available. If you like any kind of pattern in this, you can take a screenshot and send us on WhatsApp. See, this is pattern also very good. 18.5 kg rayon, beautiful piece. See, in neck also you will get this kind of work. See, all bead silk you will get in this. In multicolor you will get like XL, XXL also is available in that. Okay, next pattern I'll show you. See, this one, beautiful pattern, Bandhani Jodhpuri style. In neck you will get like, see, in neck will be original glass work and little bit thread work also. In sleeves also, beautiful pattern. See, all flare. In this you will get color variation also. Next pattern I'll show you. See, this one, chiffon with overcoat itself. See, you removable coat. If you want to remove, you can remove also. See, very good pattern. Each and every day you will get new designs in our shop. See, next pattern I'll show you. This one, beautiful pattern. See, new pattern it came. See, this is all fuel print itself. It's fuel print itself. It won't go in wash also. If any kind of problem comes in print mistake, whatever fabric mistake will exchange. Not issue in that, ma'am. You can bring any time itself. Okay, next pattern I'll show you. See, this one, 60 gram lightweight cotton fabric, beautiful piece. See, class piece, flare also in neck, collar neck, and you will get this kind of piping work itself. See, beautiful pattern. In this you will get like till 4XL sizes you will get in this particular pattern. Next pattern I'll show you. See, this pattern also very beautiful. Inside you will get rayon lining and upper like a chiffon coat. Beautiful piece, super piece. In neck also you will get work also. See, totally flare, beautiful pattern. Okay, next pattern. See, next pattern I'll show you. See, this one, beautiful, always favorite and always running item. Totally beautiful piece, super piece. In neck also you will get like this kind of work. See, class piece. In this you will get sizes also. See, it's all new pattern have came. Next item show me, sir. Okay, next pattern I'll show you. This one, see, beautiful pattern. In neck you will get original glass work, and multicolor you will get with bell sleeve. In this particular pattern you will get 3XL, 4XL, 5XL also will be available in this pattern. See, this one, next, Kashmiri rayon fabric, beautiful piece. In neck you will get like all thread work with neck band, neck band, or and with dupatta itself. Chiffon dupatta you will get with this beautiful color combination. See, very pleasant look and decent. You will get colors also in this and sizes also will be available. This is all will be limited stock, so if you like any pattern, send me a screenshot or contact me. See, beautiful western touch kurti. You will get 4 color variation in this, totally different kind of fabric. Next pattern I will show you. See, this is embossed fabric, beautiful pattern with dupatta itself. See, in neck you will get like thread work, and flare also will be full fine. See, full 4 meter flare it will come. See, beautiful pattern with dupatta itself. Size variation you will get. Fabric is new fabric little bit in kurtis. See this one. See, this is Jodhpuri rayon, beautiful pattern. See, classical piece in full digital print. See, ML, XL, XXL 4 size will be available in that pattern. See, this is always running Georgia chiffon fabric, class pattern. You will get sizes in this. See, beautiful, totally lightweight kurti, new pattern. See, beautiful pattern. Next item I will show you. See, new pattern, beautiful, always running. You will get colors also in this. See, in neck you will get this kind of work, thread work. See, with multicolor thread, and this is Coxico chiffon fabric it will come. Very beautiful pattern. ML, XL, XXL also will be available in that. See, next I will show you mango yellow, super piece. See, totally like officer kind of kurti with frock length. Some people like this kind of kurti. See, with white color thread work. Next pattern I will show you. See, that one, beautiful piece. See, with dupatta it will come. See, I will show you dupatta also. See, a different pattern, lightweight fabric and new pattern. Now I will show you some top and skirt pattern. Okay, let's see. Okay, now you see this is sarara. Okay, see, full flare cut sarara, and like belt is also come with this. And see, this is long coat with inside crop top. It will come like 3-piece set, crop top and long coat, and that with sarara, full thread work itself. You can see very beautiful piece. In this you will get 3 colors, all different colors. See, this is midi pattern. It's come midi like this, and with this same concept only, long coat and crop top inside. Inside it will come crop top like this, midi and long coat and crop top, 3-piece set. This also, in this also you will get colors and different designs. Next you see, this is also sarara pattern. It will come, see, chiffon, Coxico chiffon with lining itself, and the top will be like full zigzag work. See, this is full zigzag itself, beautiful piece. See, new pattern sarara, the full zigzag work itself. See, in this you will get 10 colors, light colors, dark colors, all type of colors you will get in this. Okay, next I'll show you next pattern. See, this is cotton midi. See, this is cotton midi. See, with top, midi top set, beautiful piece. See, ML, XL, XXL size you will get in this, and lot of designs. I can't show you all designs in this video, because in video it will be like limited time, no, so I can't show you all pattern. If I show all patterns, the video will be too much long. Nobody see that much. That's why I make short video only. See, and this is also same midi pattern, beautiful piece. In neck you will get like glass work here itself. See, and printed top and midi. Color, fabric, full guarantee it will come. See, next this is beautiful different Rajasthani lehenga design. See, midi with top. See, very good color combination, beautiful. In this also you will get colors, designs, different type of colors and designs, like all type of. See, next I'll show you this one. This is chicken work lehenga. See, this is chicken work, full chicken, back and front chicken work, and top also you will get chicken work. See, chicken work with sequence, brighter white color sequence. See, beautiful piece. In this you will get 3 colors, white, black, red and maroon. See, beautiful piece. See, different piece. Next I'll show you pant with the top. See, pencil pen sets. See, beautiful pen. See, this is pencil pen, and with this you will get this top, pencil pen and top set, beautiful. In, see, this is neck work. See, full sequence work, beautiful piece. In this you will get color also. See, next pattern I'll show you. This is also cigarette pen. Now I am showing you cigarette pen sets, like pencil pen and dupatta and top, side cut tops with work, heavy type, like party wear pieces. See, beautiful work. This is all hand work, and with dupatta, digital print dupatta you will get, Italian dupatta. See, very good color combination. Top. See, okay, next pattern I'll show you. See, this is white pant, pink pant, and with white color Lucknowi work top you will get in silk fabric. See, beautiful color concept. See, this is all thread work with dupatta, digital print dupatta. This also you would get LXL, XXL sizes. I'm showing you all unique and different body collection. See, this is same pencil pant, and next dupatta with in this also you will get top with dupatta itself. See, this is full brasso work. See, beautiful. With in neck you will get brasso work. See, with dupatta grey color combination. Beautiful piece concept. In this also colors you will get. See, this is stretchable pant. It will come in. See, stretchable full. In this also you will get ML, XL, XXL, 4 sizes. And this is sequence work. It will come multicolor sequence. You can see in top. See, I'll show you. Beautiful. In this also you will get 5 to 10 colors. See, all sequence work, multicolor. Very beautiful piece. I'm showing you only that new patterns only. See, this is pant, and this is top with digital print dupatta, silk fabric. It will come all thread work. See, in neck you can see the work. See, I'll make little more zoom. See, this is all thread work, multicolor thread. In this also you will get LXL, XXL. In some pattern you will get 3XL. In some patterns only. See, this is also very beautiful piece. Very. See, this is top. See, I'll show you. See, this is top with Lucknowi work with dupatta. See, in bottom you will get this kind of work, and sleeves also you will get work. See, beautiful piece. In this you will get 4 colors, different digital print dupatta. If you like any particular pattern in this video, you can take a screenshot and send us on WhatsApp number also. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and keep supporting our channel. And daily for new update, you will, if you want, you can make a you can please subscribe our channel and like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this channel. Bum Bum Bole. Most welcome.